Welcome back to our channel again. This is Cloud Institution. So today in this video we're going to see one of the AWS real-time interview questions on EC2 user data 3. Okay, so in the previous videos we have already seen two EC2 user data, which is a real-time interview question. Okay, so we already seen it, and then so this is going to be a third video that the question will be like, is it possible to view the AWS EC2 instance user data logs in EC2 Linux machine? Okay, so the question is there any way that so if my EC2 user data has been run successfully, or I wanted to see that what is the output it is shown. Okay, so the answer for this one will be yes, the EC2 user data logs can be viewed under where logs cloud init log. Okay, so we are going to see it's not only this, there is one more another file where we can just see this log. Okay, so in order to see this, so what are we going to do is that we are going to AWS console, and then we are going to see, we're going to create EC2 user data and see whether this has been, what was the output it has been given. Okay, so I'm going to launch new instance now. Okay, so the instance is going to be cloud institution user data. Okay, cloud institution user data, and is Amazon Linux again, and then keep pair, the proceed without keep pair. Okay, so I'm going to enable HTTP traffic from the internet. Okay, so everything is good. So now under the EC2 user data, okay, we need to copy this one. So we have already seen all these steps in the previous previous videos where we have done this EC2 user data. Okay, so now I'm just copied over here. Okay, so now I'm going to launch instance. So now what happens is that, so this EC2 user data will pick up this, so they will pick up this script and try to to install the HTTPD service, and we should be able to access this HTTPD service in the browser after this installation is created. Okay, so now I'm going to launch instance. Okay, so now instance is launched. I'm going back again. Okay, so now I'm going to click on this instance and I'm going to connect it. Okay, so now I'm going to click on connect. Okay, meanwhile what we can do is we can also go and copy the IP address of this machine and we can paste it in a browser. Okay, so for now it's not going to work because it will take some time for the system to completely boot up and it start enable services, all this stuff. Okay, so now as we mentioned in the answer, right, so we need to go back to so one of the folder called cd var log folder. Okay, so if you can go back here, you can see a couple of files should be there, so cloud init log and cloud init output.log. Okay, so what is cloud init log is that, so if you can give ls, so cat cloud init, sorry, it's IP addresses, whatever I copied. So the cloud init log, if you can copy this cloud init log, cat cloud init log. Okay, as you can see here, so it is just still running. Okay, so this file is still running, and okay, now it's complete. Okay, so for now I tail -f. Okay, so what we can do is tail -f, and then we can see this. Okay, just to make sure that so this is been completed. Okay, so this has been completed, and we also have another file which is called cloud init. Okay, so I'm going to see tail -f. Okay, cloud -init output.tf. Okay, I'm going to check that. So it's telling that it's been completed. Okay, so it's been installation of the Apache HTTPD is completed. Okay, as you can see here, what we have done here, we have installed http.service, right? So you can see the output that HTTPD, all these packages is getting installed. Okay, so now let's go back and access it with VI. Okay, as you can see how this EC2 user data has been initialized. Okay, if you can go to the end of this. Okay, sorry, we are going to see, go at the bottom of it. As you can see here, this has been completed. Installation, creating symlink, all these things has been completed. Okay, So if you can go back and here and if you see this one, click enter, you should be able to see this. And as you can see here, so the HTTPD tools, HTTPD services is getting installed. Okay, so whenever if you do the HTTPD, the HTTPD installation, all these tools, all these files packages will be installed and then install the services. Okay, so this is how you should be able to view the logs. Okay, so the view the logs of the EC2 user data under EC2 Linux machine. Okay, hope you got this answer for this interview question. These questions are all very important interview questions. It's kind of a real-time interview question. Okay, so the interviewer will check your knowledge that whether you've really worked on these kind of a tools, how to debug and all these kind of a things, right? So hope this video was very helpful for you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching it, and if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and just please leave your comments below, if you really have any kind of a questions to so that we are happy to answer for you. Okay, thank you so much.